Understanding the stuck brake pin issue in Tesla Model 3. Are you experiencing brake noise or drag in your Tesla Model 3? The issue often stems from the front brake caliper guide pins becoming stuck due to insufficient lubrication. This can lead to squealing, grinding, reduced efficiency, and even overheating. We'll break down how to identify and fix this common problem, especially prevalent in Model 3s manufactured before 2022. The Tesla brake caliper is a key component in the braking system. The guide pins allow the caliper to slide properly. When stuck, shown with the red X, it causes uneven wear. Lubricant should be applied to specific areas on the caliper components, as shown by the red arrows. Symptoms include brake noise like squealing or grinding, brake drag, reduced efficiency, and overheating. This relates to fixing squeaking noises in Tesla suspension, similar to brake issues. This problem is especially prevalent in Model 3s manufactured before 2022. Identifying symptoms of stuck brake pins in your Tesla Model 3 is crucial for early detection. Common signs include unusual noise, brake drag, and uneven wear on components. The first symptom is noise. You may hear squealing or grinding sounds, especially during light braking or when accelerating after stopping. This occurs when the stuck pins cause metal-on-metal contact in the brake caliper. Second symptom is brake drag. If the pins are stuck, the brake pads don't fully release, causing the vehicle to pull to one side during driving. You might also notice the brakes feeling unusually warm after a drive due to increased friction. Third symptom is uneven wear. Stuck pins cause uneven pressure on the brake pads and rotors, leading to irregular wear patterns. Inspect your front brake components for grooves or uneven surfaces that indicate this issue. If you experience any of these symptoms, noise, drag, or uneven wear, it's important to inspect and address the brake caliper pins promptly to ensure safe driving. The core problem is the lack of proper lubrication on the caliper pins. Without it, friction causes them to seize within the caliper housing, leading to brake drag and noise. Road salt, moisture, and heat from braking exacerbate corrosion, making the pins even more likely to stick. Tesla's initial design used dry pins, which proved problematic in real-world conditions. The primary solution is to manually lubricate the brake caliper pins. First, ensure your Model 3 is parked on level ground with the parking brake engaged. Gather your tools. You'll need a jack, wrench, socket set, brake cleaner, and high-temperature brake grease. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands when working under your vehicle. Now we'll walk through the detailed steps to remove, clean, and lubricate the brake caliper pins on your Tesla Model 3. Begin by safely removing the front wheel. Jack up the vehicle, secure it on jack stands, and remove the wheel bolts to access the brake assembly. Next, locate and remove the caliper bolts. Carefully detach the caliper from the rotor, supporting it to avoid damaging the brake hose. Once the caliper is removed, locate the brake pins within the caliper housing and slide them out carefully. Thoroughly clean the pins and caliper housing using brake cleaner to remove old grease and corrosion. Use a brush and allow it to dry completely. Apply a thin, even layer of high-temperature brake grease to the pins. Reinstall them into the caliper housing, ensuring they slide freely. For additional protection, apply dielectric grease to any electrical connections or boots to prevent corrosion. Now that the pins are lubricated, it's time to reassemble the brake caliper. First, reassemble the caliper onto the rotor, ensuring all parts are properly aligned. Torque the caliper bolts to the manufacturer's specification using a torque wrench. Reinstall the wheel securely and lower the vehicle back to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to ensure the brake pads are properly seated against the rotor. Take a short test drive, carefully listening for any unusual noises and feeling for brake drag. The noise should be eliminated, and the brakes should feel smooth and responsive. Tesla has taken several steps to address the brake pin issue, from recalls to design improvements and software enhancements. In 2021, Tesla issued a major recall affecting over 356,000 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles worldwide due to potential brake caliper pin corrosion. This recall provided free repairs at service centers, addressing the issue for most affected vehicles. For newer models manufactured from 2022 onwards, Tesla has implemented design improvements, including better sealed pins and pre-applied lubricants. This reduces the likelihood of pins sticking due to corrosion or lack of lubrication. Tesla has also released software updates through V12 firmware that include enhanced brake diagnostics. These updates alert owners to potential pin issues via the vehicle's app before physical symptoms like noise or drag become apparent. Despite these improvements, owners of older Model 3 vehicles manufactured before 2022 may still need occasional maintenance to check and relubricate the brake caliper pins, especially in humid or salty environments where corrosion can recur. Experts recommend annual brake inspections for electric vehicles like the Tesla Model 3. Regenerative braking, which recovers energy during deceleration, can mask mechanical wear on traditional brake components. For long-term prevention, consider upgrading to self-lubricating pins or using aftermarket lubrication kits. Automotive engineer John Nielsen notes that proper lubrication fixes the issue 90% of the time and prevents future corrosion. Properly lubricating the brake pins can save you hundreds of dollars compared to dealership repairs, which can cost $400 to $600. DIY fixes are successful for 85% of owners, according to recent surveys. Regular inspection every 30,000 miles is key for longevity. This helps catch wear early and extends component life, as seen in high-mileage Model 3 examples where proper maintenance added thousands of miles to brake life. By following this expert advice, you can keep your Tesla Model 3 running smoothly and safely for years to come.